Cyclone, Apex the element. Yeah.
Chemo say the God, he did it again. He did it again.
Yeah.
Apex the element.
What? Rep your who, rep your who, rep your who, man. Tell us where you're from, better rep your who, man. Rep your who, rep your who, rep your who, man. Tell us where you're from, represent your who, man. Rep your who, rep your who, rep your who, man. Tell us where you're from, better rep your who, man. Rep your who, rep your who, rep your who, man. Don't rep about some shit you ain't got, rep your who, man. Let me tell you, man, a story that you never heard. It's probably gonna touch you damn if you had a break. Been through pain, man. That is how to curb. Shit's a fit for me, your gym, you have your everything. Poured in this shit, why you grinding for the one shot that's gonna get you big? All this gym and big has kept it moving even when it seems so far. Nigga, but I'm fucking moving. Spreading my flow, cause I'm killing. Covering my flow, cause I'm healing. Look at my eyes, say I'm tripping. They be your capping, man, like really. Cause on the mic, yeah, I'm beasting. Flipping and flapping the flow. Left flipping the flop. I be flipping and twisting the flows. Like grilling the chicken, I be tossing the asses for dough. Teaching me thing about flow, is clearing the leg in the flow. Sit and think about my life. Damn, it's too much going on, too much betting on my shoulders. Got me overthinking hard, to the point where I don't even sleeping off and eating off. Road niggas hella rough, feeling like I had enough, but no, that's a sucker's move. I'm losing no control, like a hellish chicken on a loose. Know this nigga how I move, why you starting my own moves? Hit you with another move, the boy is dripping hella groove. Got them scared like they can move, they even scared to make a move. You better move or better move, head on me, don't give no F. Rep your hood, rep your who. Rep your who, rep your who, rep your who, man. Tell us where you're from, better rep your who, man. Rep your who, rep your who, rep your who, man. Tell us where you're from, represent your who, man. Rep your who, rep your who, rep your who, man.